Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable double tap to turn off the screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and we're going to scroll down until we find the advanced features. This one, tap on this option and you're going to click on motions and gestures right here. Okay, and here you can activate the double tap to turn off the screen. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate it. And here I have activated this feature. And you can also activate the double tap to turn on the screen right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the double tap to turn off the screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.